7 fun and interesting facts about the stock market. Fact number 1. 90% of people lose money in the stock market. Buy low, sell high. Sounds so simple, right? And yet investing is a rare part of our financial lives where things getting cheaper feels like a bad thing. Investors become fearful and miss some of the best opportunities the market has to offer. Some of the best investors like Warren Buffett, Carl Icahn, George Soros, and Ray Dalio have placed their biggest bets on companies during times of market stress. As one of Warren Buffett's famous quotes writes, "Be greedy when others are fearful." Fact number 2. If you invested $10,000 100 years ago in the stock market and reinvested all the dividends, your position would be worth over $50 million today. You might not get the chance to enjoy all those millions, but your children will thank you. Fact number 3. The stock market got the names bear market, which translates to a decline of the overall market, and bull market, which symbolizes optimism and prices rising, from caballeros in California, which put California grizzlies in battle with bulls. They observed that bears swiped downwards and bulls hooked upwards, thus lending the analogy of bull and bear markets. Tragically, this also led to the California grizzlies' extinction. Fact number 4. In the recording of this video, the largest U.S. company based on its valuation is Apple, valued at $1.4 trillion, followed by Microsoft, Google, and Facebook. Fact number 5. The stock market usually performs the worst in September. Whether it's coincidence or not, investors and brokers get nervous around September because the worst stock market crashes occurred during this time. Since 1950, the markets have averaged slight declines in September. Thankfully, recent stock market statistics show this effect has begun to disappear. Fact number 6. Ringing the opening bell. Since 1903, the start of every day's trading session on the New York Stock Exchange starts with the ringing of an actual bell at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Many high-profile people have been invited to participate in the tradition of ringing the opening bell, including singer Usher, former President Ronald Reagan, actor Robert Downey Jr., Darth Vader, Spider-Man, and Snoop Dogg. Fact number 7. Tulip fever. We all remember the dot-com boom and bust, and know about the 1929 Great Depression. But financial bubbles aren't anything new. The first recorded bubble was named Tulip Mania and occurred in Holland during the early to mid-1600s, when speculation drove the value of tulip bulbs to extremes due to their rarity. Yes, tulips. They were even used to buy houses. At the height of the market, the rarest tulip bulbs traded as much as 6 times the average person's annual salary. The tulip frenzy burst in 1637 when buyers announced that they could not pay the high price previously agreed upon. Thank you for watching!